On this channel, I break down simple systems to make money online without overcomplicating things. Most people try to make money online and quit before they ever see results. Not because it doesn't work, but because everything feels too complicated. Funnels, emails, automation, traffic. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I set up a system step by step, and you can follow along as I do it. By the end, you'll have a funnel running in the background, collecting emails and following up automatically. Step 1. Create your free account. Go to the link in the description. This will take you to the sign-up page. A domain email is recommended. If you don't have one, use Outlook. Enter your Outlook email. Gmail sometimes doesn't work properly here, and click Get Started for free. Why this matters. This is the foundation. Without a proper account, nothing else works. After clicking, you'll see your dashboard. This is where your funnel, emails, and automation live. Great, now we have our base ready to build a system. I'll click Funnels. Then click Create Funnel in the top right. Now you can name it. Great, after naming your funnel, you can go ahead and click on Build an Audience and Save. Why this matters. The funnel is your automated system. Everything flows through this, so it has to be set up first. Perfect. Your first funnel step is ready. You're already ahead of 90% of beginners. Step 3. Edit your opt-in page. Click on your opt-in page. Choose Simple Lead Capture Template, then click Edit Page. Here's where visitors will enter their email. Click on the headline and type something clear. For example, learn how to build a simple system to start making money online. Click on the description and type a short, friendly line. Follow this exact step-by-step system I use every day. Make sure the email input field is connected correctly. Delete everything you don't need. All we need is a headline and email sign-up to capture leads. Remember, simple works best. Click Save. Psych trigger. A clean, simple page reduces overwhelm. The easier it looks, the more likely people are to sign up. You can set up your thank you page the same way and click Save. Awesome! Your opt-in page is live and ready to collect emails. Step 4. Set up automation precise. Okay, now look at the top menu. Click Email, then click Campaign. Create a new campaign and save. Click Automation Rules. Click Create Rule. Set the trigger to Funnel Step Form Subscribed. Occurs when a contact has just subscribed through the form. Click Add Action, then select Send Email. Step 5. Write your first email. You can create an email. This email will be related to your opt-in page. You can add links and drop in files if you want to. Your email will depend on the niche you are in. You can add the link to your product, store, website, or service. Click to edit the email. Keep it simple and personal. Subject line, quick question. Body, hey, I saw you just signed up. I wanted to share the exact system I'm using to get started. Here's the link. Follow it step by step. Add your link so people can click directly. Psych trigger. Clear instructions plus clickable link equals easier decision, more conversions. This email will be delivered right after sign up. Nice! Now your funnel can automatically email anyone who signs up. You're literally creating a passive follow-up system. Why this matters. This automation makes your funnel work in the background without you having to manually follow up. Step 6. Set up follow-up email workflow. Head back to your dashboard. Click Automations, Workflow. Click Create Workflow, name your workflow, and save it. Now you can go ahead and click on the workflow you just created. Click Create First Trigger, then select Funnel from Subscriber. Look for the funnel you created in the drop-down list, and select. Great, now you can go ahead and select Opt-in Page and click Create. You should see something like this. Next, click the little plus sign. Click on Delay and set to 1 day before sending a follow-up email. Okay, great. Once you have done that, we can go ahead and click the plus sign again. This time we will click on Action. Select Send Email. This is where you will create your first follow-up email. What is nice about this is that you can add more than one email follow-up. This increases your chances to get engagement from your audience at a later stage if they don't click your links immediately. You can also use this to promote other products or services in each email. For example, first email leads to the product or service they signed up for. Email 2 can give them current products or services like discounts, new products, etc. This is super powerful to get you more sales. And each client receives these email follow-ups when they sign up. Step 7. System live and grab your link. Congratulations! Your funnel and emails and automation are all set. Why this matters. The system now works in the background, collecting emails and following up automatically. You're no longer guessing. This is real progress. Now let's grab your funnel link so you can add it to your bio or sites like Beacons like I do. Go to Funnels, Your Funnel, View Funnel. Click on the opt-in page or whichever funnel step you want to share. Click Share or Get Link. Copy the URL shown. Paste this link anywhere you want traffic to go, your Instagram/TikTok bio, Beacons page, website, or any other platform. Step 8. Send traffic. All that's left is sending traffic. People land on your page, enter their email, and your system handles the rest. Step 9. Reuse and scale. Once you understand this, you can reuse this setup for different niches, offers, or products. If you follow this system consistently, it could easily double your income in almost any niche. Don't overthink it. Follow these steps, get your system live, and let it start working for you. And don't forget, subscribe for more.